Hi darlings, in this video we are going to discuss about the structure of chloroplast. This chloroplast is a green pigment present in all plant cells, protistas, euglenias, algae, etc. And this chloroplast is discovered by the Ottoman von Leeuwenhoek. This chloroplast is a double membrane structure. It contains outer membrane and inner membrane. This outer membrane is smooth and it contains less proteins and it is permeable in nature. Permeable means it allows all the materials to pass through it. And the inner membrane. This inner membrane is also a smooth and it is rich in proteins compared to this outer membrane. And it is only selectively permeable. Selectively permeable means only the enzymes or material which is required to the cell is supplied. And inner to this inner membrane is the stroma. This stroma is rich in the enzymes and enzymes which are required for all dark reactions. And one of the example is ribosome is ribulose biphosphate carboxylase. It is the most abundant protein which helps in the expecting the carbon dioxide during the dark reaction. Inner membrane of the chloroplast shows the invasion or the infolding at some places. From these infoldings, the membrane structure separates to form a sac-like structure, and each sac-like structure is known as the thylakoid. Sac-like structure is known as the thylakoid, and these thylakoids are attached together. Some thylakoids are attached together to form a group of thylakoid, and this complete group of thylakoids are known as the granum or grana. And the attachment from this thylakoid to the inner membrane is known as the stroma lamella. In these thylakoids are actually present the green pigment, the chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll is present in the form of quantosome. Quantosome is the collection of a group of the pigments. Group of pigments like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, C, xanthophylls, carotenoids, etc. are combined together to form a one chlorophyll. Quantosome is the collection of pigments with 230 pigment molecules like chlorophyll A, B, C, D, carotenoids, xanthophylls, phycobilins or phycoxanthins, etc. And this chloroplast is the semi-autonomous. Semi-autonomous means they have their own circular DNA and also the ribosomes. And these ribosomes are 70S type of ribosomes. And these ribosomes is also known as the plastidoribosomes because this ribosomes is present in the plastid. In these thylakoids, two types of thylakoids are seen. See, the membrane of the thylakoid, which is in this membrane of the thylakoid, which is in the contact of the stroma, and such type of thylakoids are known as the non-oppressed part. Means the thylakoid which is in contact, the membrane of the thylakoid which is in contact with the stroma. Such type of thylakoids are known as the non-oppressed part. And see, and this is the another thylakoid, and this thylakoid membrane is in contact with the another thylakoid. Such thylakoids are known as the oppressed part. During these light harvesting complexes, the photosystem 1, which observed the wavelength 700 will present in the non-oppressed part. Non-oppressed part means the membrane of the thylakoid which is in contact with the stroma, and the photosystem 2 is present in the oppressed part. Oppressed part means the membrane of the thylakoid which is present in contact with the other membrane of the thylakoid. And this chloroplast helps in the photosynthesis, and it also helps in all light reactions and dark reactions of the cell. The number of chloroplasts varies from cell to cell. It may be one per cell in the Chlamydomonas and Eutheryx. In case of Chlamydomonas, this chloroplast is present in the U-shaped, and 1 to 16 per cell in case of Spirogyra, and in Spirogyra this chloroplast will be in the ribbon shape, and 20 to 40 per cell in case of higher plants, and in higher plants this chloroplast present in the form of oval or in disc shaped. More than 500 per cell in case of Chara, in the internodes of the Chara. In case of Ulothrix, which contains one chloroplast per cell, the chloroplast is in the form of griddle shape,